Okay, you're stepping on my head, my queen.
Quiet! Wait till we drink this wind. After this, we're gonna defeat them. Huh? Here comes the wind. Open your mouth.
My queen, the wind is so cold.
The stinky pandas were able to drink it. I'm sure we can.
You're right. My queen, I'm sorry, I can't drink anymore.
Me too. I'm feeling a little queasy.
They've drank a night full of southwest wind. It's gonna take a while before they stop floating. Lulu Queen, don't even try to remove the tape, or else you get blown away.
I hate those pandas.
My queen, I'll help you.